Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Hummer H3 Alpha, and we're going to be upgrading the fog lights today. We're going to be upgrading them to LED, and the kit today that I'm using is by Woxma, and if you guys also want to try this on your Hummer H3, please check the links down below in my description box. And I'm also going to be giving one away to one of you lucky viewers, and all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment down below on this video, and I'll be deciding the winner 1 week from now, next Saturday on January 19th. So please stay tuned for that on that video. And now let's get started with the upgrade. The process is quite simple. You don't need any tools. There's no jacks, screwdrivers, or anything required. As long as you could slide underneath your Hummer in the front, you're good to go. And now all you have to do is locate the fog light assembly, which is right there with the blue wire connector. We're going to disconnect the wire, and there's a little latch that you have to lift up before you pull it out. And then you're going to twist the light bulb counterclockwise, and the bulb comes right out. And now here's my LED one. The installation is just as simple. We're going to put the fog light into the socket, twist it clockwise, and then reconnect the wire. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and then I'll share with you guys my final results. And here are the final results, and as you guys can see, those yellow lights were really giving an outdated look to my Hummer H3 Alpha. And now not only do the LEDs look better, but they're a lot more brighter and a lot more efficient, especially if you go off-roading. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more videos on my Hummer, please check out my playlist and the other videos on my channel, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.